Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings of peace. This is Islam Talk and Farina Siddique, and I'm talking to all the feminists who always are on the road, on the marches and the protests when it's about women's rights, right? There are a big group, apparently a very focused on women's right group, right? But right now, in this worst possible case scenario of a genocide that is happening in Gaza, in Palestine, in general, and Gaza in particular, all the women over there are being raped, all the women are being murdered, and all the women are actually snatched the rights and the beauty of their motherhood. Where are the feminists? Why are they not talking about the women in Gaza? Why are they not talking about women in Palestine? Why are they quiet now? Even the slightest possibility, they are always on the road. They always talk about women's rights. They talk about women's rights. So, there are no human rights if there are no women's rights. So, where are those voices now for the women of Gaza? Where are those voices now for the women of Palestine? Why are the feminist clan among us is not getting on the road? Why are they not protesting in front of the parliament, in front of the legislators, in front of the people, who actually can see that yes, they actually stand for the rights of all women? Because if they're not standing for the rights of the for women in Palestine, that means they're fakers. They're they're deceiving people who are actually only working on a political agenda to actually strip women from their rights given by God. So they're not the right people to actually follow. They're not the right people to actually listen to, because they pick and choose on what women they want to talk about a right for. They're always there to talk about the rights of trans women. They're there to talk about the women who are actually kind of quote unquote suppressed by their religion, suppressed by their men, suppressed by their societies. Especially Muslim women are always targeted by these feminist people, saying, Muslim women are suppressed. They think we are actually waiting for a rescue mission. No, thank you. We're not looking for a rescue mission. But if you are true to your campaign, if you're true to your own realities, if you're true to your voice, why are you not talking about the women of Palestine? The Palestinian women are mothers. They're young women, right? They're losing their children. They're losing their dignity. They're losing everything owned by a human being. And why are you not speaking? I don't see any women's right campaign. I don't see any feminist campaign coming out, protesting, talking, spreading awareness about Palestine, spreading awareness about women of Palestine. Like most recently, at Al Shifa, one woman, pregnant woman, was raped, brutally assaulted, gang raped in front of the brothers and other men in front of them. And they were not even allowed to close their eyes. This is such a heinous crime. This is such brutality. I don't even want to call it a crime by a human being. This is like dogs. This is like animals. And there is no women's rights voice there. The woman actually lost the child, she lost her dignity, and on top of that, she actually is scarred for life, being raped in front of her own men and other men. So where is the voice? What are we doing? So we pick and choose. Like even for human rights, there are no rights spoken about for the people of Gaza. They're not even considered as human beings. They're called like rats, by the Israeli terrorist regime. They're not even regime. They should not be called a state, because they are occupiers. They are apartheid. They're occupiers. They actually have occupied, captured the land of Palestinian people over there, right? And then on top of that, what they're doing is actually, okay, I have occupied your land. Now your dignity, your honor, your land, your money, your life is owned by me. I can butcher you. And they're planning more. They didn't even stop during the holy month of Ramadan. So where are the voices? If you know any feminists, if you are one of them, please reach out to each other and have self-reflection about what do we actually choose to speak about. We pick and choose, and we differentiate between one human to another human, one woman to another woman. So my right is then not same as yours, right? You only pick and choose to speak for some women that you want to speak about. Think about it, spread awareness, and speak for Palestine, because it could be women in your family one day, right? Oppression, injustice does not stay in one place if you choose to stay silent about this. When you're silent today, do not expect other people to especially speak for you. If you chose not to speak for other people who are being butchered, who are being raped, who are being murdered, who are being taken away from every possible human right on earth, think about it and spread awareness about this. I will post this video after the live session is ended. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Palestine will be free, inshallah.